Hi, it's Anne. Most of our crops die every year, and it's not just because we eat them, it's because dying every year is what the plants we grow for crops tended to do. And that's weird because most of the plants in the world live for more than a year and sometimes way more. In history, if we farmed these long-lived perennial plants instead of annuals, we wouldn't have to reseed our fields every single year, and our lives would be easier. And we do grow some perennials, but we mostly stick with annuals because their strategy in life is to grow up as fast as possible so that they could make the seed of the next generation, or in the case, wheat, corn, rice, and a few of other crops the seed that make up majority of the human diet. Perennials, on the other hand, takes the time to need to grow up strong and build root system that help them survive longer terms, which means they aren't really in rush to reproduce. So in any animal waiting around for a perennial to pump out some seeds to snack on mighty end up waiting a long time. In the wild, the perennials strategy usually win out because once perennial plants lock down some real estate, they can keep it locked down, which leaves it little space or shorter-lived plants to sprout. So, in general, it takes an event like fire to clear the wheat field for annuals and allow them to take over. But because we humans have grown such an appearity for annual abundant seeds, we're willing to step in and do a lot of that field clearing, helping these short-lived plants crop up in places where never would have on their own or across our planet.